For many, tackling home garage tasks is more than just a chore. It's a passionate hobby. From fixing up vehicles to organizing and streamlining the space, the satisfaction of completing these projects is unmatched. Transform your garage into a well-oiled machine with the right tools and inventions available in the market. From efficient power tools to innovative gadgets, these essential garage inventions will streamline organization, keep your ride in tip-top shape, and help you save time and money. This video showcases the top 10 must-have garage inventions for any handyman or DIY aficionado. So, are you ready to elevate your garage game? Let's dive in. Coming in first is the Chamberlain Smart Garage Control, which helps control your garage via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. With this smart garage control gadget, you can conveniently control, secure, and monitor your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone. With Amazon Key compatibility, you can easily set up secure in-garage delivery. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing you can open or close your garage door at any time, while also giving access to family or friends even when you're away. And you never have to worry if the garage door is closed at night again. Thanks to its smart control, you can easily set an automatic close schedule and lock your garage at nighttime. You also get real-time notifications to alert you if the door is left open, so you can take control of your garage and stay connected with the Chamberlain Smart app. Next is the Juicebox 40 Smart Charging Station that can quickly charge your electric vehicle so you can take it for a run at any time. This Energy Star certified UL-listed EV charger delivers up to 7 times faster charge thanks to its high-power 40-ampere output. You can enjoy convenient Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control via Amazon Echo or Alexa for added convenience. With a built-in cable rack and security lock for indoor and outdoor installation, you can be rest assured knowing your car is safe. Due to its smart grid savings, easy plug-in installation, and rebates for eligible geographies, Juicebox is the perfect solution for fueling your car and saving you money. Take the hassle out of charging your EV with the Juicebox 40 Smart and make charging your electric vehicle easier, faster, and smarter in no time. At number 3 is the STKR Concepts Adjustable Garage Parking Sensor Aid, which helps you safely and accurately park your car in your tight garage space using ultrasonic range finding technology. With this amazing garage invention, you can get the perfect park every time. The ultrasonic range finding technology gives you a green light when you're in the perfect parking spot in your garage, so you don't have to worry about cramming and squeezing into spaces. The STKR Parking Sensor Air makes parking easier and quicker, enabling you to park perfectly every time. It can be mounted on the wall, shelf, or any surface in your garage with its supplied Velcro and double-sided tape for easy installation. You can set the desired stop zone using the red Set Distance button for the perfect parking location in your garage. Another great garage invention is the Camco AccuPark Vehicle Parking Aid, which serves as a stopping point for your garage to enable you to park safely. The Cameo Parking Aid is made of durable polypropylene with a ribbed design that adds strength to stop your car and prevent warping. It is not only strong, but also highly visible, so you can find the perfect parking spot every time. The simple peel and stick installation, thanks to its double-coated adhesive strips, means no tools are needed, so you can get started in just minutes. With this garage invention, you don't have to waste time guessing and park your car accurately in your garage always. Let's move on to the DeWalt Toolbox that allows you to store all your handy tools and equipment safely and enables easy portability. This flexible tool storage platform allows for different combinations so you can customize the way you store and organize your tools. Compatibility with the DeWalt T-Stack system enables all units of the toolbox to stack on top of each other and be connected with durable side latches. You can store cordless and corded power tools and accessories easily in this portable chest for quick organization and easy storage. Plus, a bi-material handle on top of each portable tool chest is designed for easy and comfortable lifting. The toolbox is equipped with heavy-duty metal latches for rust resistance, so your tools can be secure and easily portable at any time. Coming in next is the Flow2 Rhino Ramp's Max Vehicle Ramp, which is the ultimate automotive ramp for easy access to the underside of your vehicle. With its rugged and structural design, you can be sure of reliable, long-lasting performance and convenient access to your car. The ramp is certified PALD, which makes it strong as steel, making it convenient for you to do a simple oil change or other complex car repairs easily. Plus, with its CoreTrack non-skid base and 17-degree incline, it's perfect for low-clearance vehicles with a 16,000-pound GVW capacity. You can get the Flow Tool ramp today and make working on your automotive vehicle easier than ever. Besides the EV charger, the Noco Boost Plus Jump Starter Box is a must-have garage invention to safely jumpstart your vehicle's dead battery. It is an ultra-safe 1,000-amp portable lithium car battery jump starter pack that offers up to 20 jump starts on a single charge and supports gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters. You can get reliable, fast-charging performance with this advanced car jump starter and portable power bank. With its multifunctional design, you can even recharge smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices in a flash. Plus, the integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes is perfect for any situation. You don't have to worry about incorrect connections or sparks with its error-proof design featuring spark-proof technology, and get your car moving again in no time without any hassle. You can be rest assured that you'll have the right tools to get back on the road. Next up is the ProLift Floor Jack, which makes it easier for you to lift your cars for repair. With up to 4,000 pounds of maximum capacity and heavy-duty steel construction, it can take on the toughest jobs. Get from 3 5/8 inches to 13 3/8 inches with ease and safety. This low-profile car jack is designed to make your life easier with its lightweight, compact design, easy-to-carry handles, and its patented built-in bypass device. This jack will have you ready to lift in no time. And you don't have to worry about overload, as ProLift's bypass system prevents jack damage and user injury every time. You can get your car lifting job done in no time with the ProLift Floor Jack. The power-built brake fluid tester is another must-have garage invention that accurately indicates the quality of the brake fluid in your car's reservoir and the lines. Identify the percentage of water content in your brake fluid and ensure proper levels of quality with just a few easy steps. This brake fluid testing device is easy to use, includes a AAA battery and protective cap, and has LED lights that indicate brake fluid quality. This pocket-sized tester makes it easy to measure the water content of your .4 brake fluid so you know when it's time to change. You can get the peace of mind you need to drive safely by keeping your brakes in top condition with Powerbuilt's brake fluid tester. Last but not least is the Powerbuilt Ratcheting Brake Caliper Piston Spreader Press Tool, which enables you to save time and effort on your automotive brake jobs. This smart tool fits single, twin, and quad piston calipers with a range of 1.5 to 2 5/8 and includes 2 sizes of piston plates to fit virtually every passenger and commercial vehicle on the road today. You can make your repair or maintenance tasks simpler with Powerbuilt's innovative ratcheting technology and save your precious time and effort by ratcheting the brake pistons out of the way. Which garage invention do you think is the most important one among these? You can buy any of these garage inventions to speed up your garage projects and handy tasks. Let us know in the comments below which one do you feel is a must-have and why. We would love to hear from you. This is Tech Groupies, and we hope you enjoyed our roundup of garage inventions to make your garage projects easier. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos on advanced gadgets, revolutionary inventions, and cutting-edge technology. Make sure to hit the bell icon after subscribing so you can be notified every time a new video on awesome inventions and gadgets is out, and stay up to date with the current technology. See you next time.